Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in RT Nagar, that is Ganga Nagar, very close to CBI Road, and in Pilappa block. It is just walkable from CBI Road, 250 meters, and 950 meters from that is Airport Road, National Highway. There's a house for sale. So it is G plus 2.5. Top you have another 1 BHK. So building is east facing and it is dead end road. You have park at the end. So building is east facing and doors are north facing. Ground floor you have parking plus 1 BHK plus 2 BHKs. First floor 3 2 BHK, second floor 3 2 BHK, and third floor 1 BHK. So there is a total 12 panels of solar. Complete building is covered under solar connection, and you have 19 pillars. So more 2 floors easily can be constructed with few alterations. And dimension is 1800 square feet. It is 30 on the road facing, and the depth is 60, so it is 30/60. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the parking with total setbacks all around, total 10 units. So you have three water connections, that is CMC, Kaveri, and borewell. So this is the tank and this is borewell. So there is no issues on water. You have 3-inch water in borewell. So in ground floor, this is 1 BHK and 2 BHK, then another 2 BHK next to it. So let's explore 1 BHK first. So on the left hand side you have kitchen, hand wash area, and on the right you have hall, puja room, then bedroom with attached washroom. So this is the bedroom. So this is attached washroom. So this is one bedroom. This is the hall, puja room. Good ventilation. North facing entrance. This is the kitchen. So this is 1 BHK model, total 2 1 BHKs and 8 2 BHKs, and you have total CCTV coverage. You have CCTV camera coverage totally. So this is the corridor. You have 2 BHK and then next 2 BHK, top 3 2 BHK, above that 3 2 BHKs. So if you want to alter it, you can keep lift at the end somewhere there, and more 2 floors can be constructed. So this is north facing entrance, building is east facing. Just power is on. This is the hall. You have one bedroom here, then another bedroom, and this is the kitchen, puja room. Both are attached washrooms. So one is having Indian and one is having Western. So this is with Indian water closet. This is another bedroom. So it is very well maintained building, and there is a park very close by. That is, this road is dead end. At the end of the road you have park. So this is attached water closet with Western water closet. So here one wash basin you have. So this is the kitchen. This is 2 BHK model. So almost everything will be similar. So, and rest I'll be showing from outside. It is occupied. So even here you have camera. So it is totally CCTV coverage. So this is one 2 BHK. So every floor has camera. You can see. You are in ground floor, then first floor, second floor. So it is totally covered with CCTV. So this is another 2 BHK. So let's go to first floor. So this is one 2 BHK north facing, then another 2 BHK north facing, then one 2 BHK which is west facing. This unit has a balcony as well. So this was first floor. So even second floor it is similar setup. Two north facing and one west facing. So this is third floor. You have one east facing 1 BHK unit. So above this you have tank storage, and these are the solar panels. One, two, three, four, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12, no?
12 panels. Direct folio and
So you have total 12 panel solar storage, and how much? So each tank is 500 liters, 3 tanks. So total 1500 liters hot water connection.
and this one of the pillars.
So these are the pillars. You can see there are 21 pillars. Here one, then here you have, there you have, then back side, then in this house one, this side of house one, then here
The
one,
back side of the house.
even behind house you have. So totally pillars you can see all around it is 21 pillars. So easily more 2 floors can be constructed. Very good build quality. Even here it is, so it must be more than 21 or 24 it is. Even there you can see the road, a wide road. You can see TV tower from here easily. So it is very close to Bellary Road. You can see Four Seasons here, and even CBI Road is just 150 meters. So it is very closer to the main road. For more details, you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp, you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.